loves, and welcome back to my channel. And today I'm going to share a quick little video with you to fill your belly with love, and it is my pink waffles. And for these waffles, I just took my waffle recipe and just whipped up the batch, and then I just added some red food coloring to give it that pink look. And we're going to give our mini waffle iron a little spritz of oil, and then we're going to spread on the mixture into the small waffle iron. And there you have it, loves, a perfect waffle that's pink and delicious and perfect for Valentine's. And what you're going to do from here is just garnish it with your favorite strawberries and some blueberries and fill your loved one's belly with some love. And I hope you enjoyed this video, and happy Valentine's Day, loves.